Happy New Year. Here's to a happy, healthy, and safe 2021. Looking forward to an easier food world this year? Well, not going to happen in the UK. The UK government wants to move ahead with plans to restrict how supermarkets sell and advertise chocolate, soda, and other foods that are high in sugar, salt, and fat as part of a wider push to tackle obesity, according to CNN Business. The food and drink industries are up in arms and have warned of devastating results for consumers and businesses if this legislation becomes the rule of law. The new rules will apply to all food retailers in England with more than 50 employees and is scheduled to start in April 2022, according to the Department of Health and Social Care. Stores smaller than 2,000 square foot and specialty retailers, such as chocolatiers and sweet shops, will be exempt from some of the restrictions. Promotion offers on unhealthy foods that require shoppers to buy more items to take advantage of the discounts, such as buy one, get one free, or 3 for 2 promotions, will be prohibited in stores and online. The constraints extend beyond chocolates and soft drinks and sweets to include potato chips, pastries, breakfast cereals, pizzas, ready-to-eat prepared meals, and breaded chicken and breaded fish. Unhealthy promotions will no longer be allowed in key locations, including at the checkout, store entrance, and at the end of aisles. Free refills of sugary soft drinks in restaurants will also be banned. Public Health Minister Jo Churchill stated that the new measures will ensure that the healthy choice is the easy choice, creating an environment which helps everyone eat healthier foods on a more regular basis is crucial to improving the health of the nation. The Food and Drink Federation, which is the equivalent of our Consumer Brands Association, the prior GMA, feels quite differently and said that the policy will have harsh economic impacts for both producers and for consumers. Chief Operating Officer Tim Rycroft said the proposed restrictions will not only increase the cost of food for families, but it will have harsh economic impacts for food and drink manufacturers who are already bracing themselves for the new costs of Brexit and the repercussions of the global pandemic. The restrictions are the latest attempt by the government to tackle Britain's rates of obesity, which, frankly, are among the highest in the world. That, according to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Now, Britain introduced restrictions on television advertising to children of unhealthy foods back in 2007. They also implemented a tax on sugary soft drinks in 2018. Earlier this year, it launched a new campaign to address obesity, which includes proposals to require restaurants to add calorie labels to menu items. Almost 2/3 of adults in England are overweight, and 1 in 3 kids leave primary school overweight or obese, according to the government, which said obesity-related illnesses are now costing the National Health Service $8.1 billion every year. So here's the reality. If nothing else has been learned during the pandemic, it's that it's time to be transparent. It's time to tell the truth, to help each other, and for these lobbyists and trade groups to understand that the shopper comes first. This is our world. In order to get the maximum sales from them, they must be alive and well. Otherwise, there's no profit. If our food industry continues to shovel additional salt, sugar, and fat into our diets, science has shown us our lifetime will be shortened. So here's the top line. No customers, no profits. Wake up. We applaud the move in the UK and can only hope that here in the US, we will take similar steps to help our citizens live long and healthy lives.